welcome to the Fizzy Show.
Trick-or-treating was such fun, wasn't it, Stanley? He's a pumpkin too, like me.
Yeah. Oh, look, Phoebe, we got so much food. We got fruit and vegetables and even a smoothie. Oh, yum, yum.
But it doesn't all fit in our cupboard. This is a disaster.
Oh, don't worry, Phoebe. Why don't we make a DIY Halloween-themed lunchbox?
Awesome sauce!
Oh, Archie!
Hello, Pirate Bobby. I can see you.
Oops!
That's funny. We seem to be missing something.
Bobby, you shouldn't take things without asking first.
Oh, Bobby, no takey! It was Ghosty! Ghosty!
What? Where? Whoa! It really is a ghost. That's spooky.
Oh, we better start making a lunchbox before anything else disappears. Miss Hands, we're gonna need a hand.
Hi everyone, it's me, Miss Hands. Hey Fizzy Phoebe. Oh, and Pirate Bobby.
Miss Hands, we need to create a Halloween lunchbox.
Yeah, before the ghost takes all of our food.
Food!
First up, we have a spooky Halloween wrap.
Rappy! Done!
That's right, this wrap is made with spinach. Okay, so we're gonna take our cream cheese and spread it all over the wrap, like this. We're gonna try and cover it everywhere because we don't want to miss any spots, do we? And now we're ready to roll it up.
Rolly! Oh!
Well done, Bobby, that's perfect. And now I'm gonna use my edible marker and draw on a monster's face. Here we go. Do you know the name of this monster?
Scary monster.
Almost, Phoebe. This is called Frankenstein's monster. He's in a spooky story about a scientist, Dr. Frankenstein, who creates a monster in his lab. And now we can send our monster into the lunchbox. Bobby, I'm gonna need that orange that you had. Well, thank you, Bobby. Let's make a pumpkin. We just need to peel this orange. Here we go. And then we just need a small piece of celery to make our stalk. There we go. Well, that's strange. Where did I put that stalk? Well, I'm sure it's going to appear somewhere later. Let's just create another one. This pumpkin looks so cool. Did you know that pumpkins were considered a form of protection from strange spirits? Let's add this pumpkin to our lunchbox to protect our lunch. Okay, it's Halloween, so it's time for some creepy crawlies.
Where?
Oh, don't worry, Phoebe. We're gonna make them ourselves.
Awesome sauce.
So we start with our 2 mini crackers, and this is gonna be the body, so we need to stick these together. I'm gonna use peanut butter. And then we add our pretzels in between the crackers because our spider has 8 legs. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hey, wait a minute. We only have 7 legs. How does this keep happening? Never mind. It's weird, but let's make another one. Okay, let's add the final leg. Wait a minute. How does this keep happening? I've lost it again. Oh, Phoebe, since you're dressed as a pumpkin, could you please come and stand near me to scare away our ghost?
Yeah, I have a job to do.
Oh, thank you, Phoebe. Well, he's in the lunchbox. What else do we have?
Oh, watermelon. Here you go.
Whoa, a watermelon. Thanks, Bobby. Let's cut this up. Fantastic. So for our first watermelon slice, I am going to use this bat cookie cutter. Here we go. Now press it down firmly. There we go. And we have our bat. Look at that. And for our second slice of watermelon, we're going to use a spooky ghost. Ooh. Ooh, these look so juicy. Let's put them in the lunchbox. Ooh. Well, we have these cucumber slices here and these cute little cookie cutters. So let's start with a star shape for the night sky. And next we can do the moon. And for our third shape, we have this owl. Tweet-twoo, tweet-twoo. These are so cute, I think we should add them straight into the lunchbox.
Oh, well done, team. This lunchbox looks so tasty.
And spooky.
Happy Ween.
Happy Halloween.
More like hungry Halloween.
Time for lunch. Thanks for watching. We hope you all have a fizzy fantastic day.
We will.
See